So let's look at our iris dataset. So I have already written some of the code. So I have imported the dataset and then I have splitted the dataset over here. I have applied logistic regression. My score comes out to be 0.8947. Then I have calculated my test predictions and my training predictions. For the testing data, my confusion matrix looks something like this, right? So if I see, this is what my confusion matrix looks like. This means that there are total 13 number of data points in Setosa category. Out of those 13, all of them have been labeled correctly, right? Which means my recall for Setosa is going to be 1, right? Similarly for versicolor, out of total 16 points, 12 have been labeled as versicolor and 4 have been labeled as virginica, right? So out of this, there are 4 errors. So my recall will be 12 by 16. In virginica, out of 9, all have been labeled correctly. Again, my recall will be 1. Similarly, precision for Setosa will be 13 upon 13, that is 1. Precision for versicolor is going to be 1 again. And precision for virginica is going to be 9 by 13. Okay. So, if I print the classification report, as I can see, precision for class 0, that is class Setosa, is going to be 1. 13 by 13, that is 1. Recall will be 13 by 13, 1 again for Setosa. For versicolor, my precision will be 12 by 12, that is 1, and my recall will be 12 by 16, that is 0.75. For virginica, my precision will be 9 by 13, that is 0.69, and my recall will be 9 by 9, that is 1. And similarly, I will be able to calculate my F1 scores based on precision and recall. That will basically be the harmonic mean, and support, that is total number of points 13, 16 and 9, and here I have accuracy, right? So accuracy, which is our score. Okay, so let's do this for training data as well. Okay, so precision for class 1 is going to be 37 by 37, that is 1, and recall will be 37 by 37, 1 again. For versicolor, my precision will be 30 upon 31, that is 0.97, and 30 upon 34 will be my recall, that is 0.88. For versicolor, 40 upon 41, that is going to be my recall, and 40 upon 44, that is going to be my precision, right? One thing that I want to mention, that when you pass your values to your confusion matrix or your classification report, you always pass actual values first and then the predicted ones, right? Similarly, actual values first and then the predicted ones, right? Okay. So I hope precision and recall are clear and how you can calculate it for all your classes, which will help you in judging the performance of your model. So see you in the next session. Thank you.